Hello, you beautiful people. Hello, and welcome back to my channel. I'm Luce Stephenson, but you can call me Luce because we're all friends here. If you are new here, please don't forget to hit subscribe and give this video a thumbs up because it really helps out my channel, and turn that notification bell because you don't miss any of my future videos. I normally upload on Mondays, Wednesdays and Fridays, but Halloween and Christmas has arrived, so I'm literally uploading all the time. And if you want to see all of the Revolution advent calendars, all of the gift sets and everything from Revolution, please make sure that you subscribe because you don't want to miss all the bangers that I'm dishing out video wise. So yeah, let's just get straight into it. So today we have the Revolution and the Grinch advent calendar, which looks like this. This is stunning. Can I just say this is such a nice size because it's not horribly like massive and chunky. It's like a really nice compact size. And I know one of the things that Revolution's like really pushing this year for the advent calendars, and they also did it last year as well, is to make sure that it's not like excessive packaging, it's not like stupid like plastic or anything like that, it's all recyclable. So yeah, super excited to finally show this and to show what's inside. I've already had a sneaky preview because I just could not help myself. So it says on the back, you shouldn't have. No, reading. You shouldn't have. I want your presents, not your presents. This is the 12-day advent calendar. So obviously this is what the outside packaging looks like, and then when we take off the lid, it looks like this on the inside. And the thing I love about this advent calendar is each of the doors have like a different saying from the Grinch on it. I think it's just absolutely iconic. So this is the Grinch and Revolution 12-day advent calendar, and it retails for £40, $50, €49.99, and then 80 Australian dollars. So obviously it is £40, but please do bear in mind that I do have a discount code for Revolution's UK, US and the Australian website. So if you use the code LUCE20, so LUCE 20, you will get 20% off the UK, US and the Australian Revolution website. So you'll be able to get this for even cheaper. You all know, if you watched my channel last year, I like to work out how much the advent calendar costs and work out how much each day of the advent calendar costs to see whether we're actually getting a good value for our money or not. So each day is worth £3.33. So let's just get straight into it. So the first one we have, door number 1, is Grinch Please, which just looks like this. I would love to know as well, when you do a 12-day advent calendar, do you start it 12 days before Christmas and then count down to Christmas? Is that how it works? Because we had this conversation last year and I don't think any of us really worked out whether what was what. But in day 1 we have 2 little mini brushes. They've got the Grinch, Cindy Lou and also Max on the actual packaging. So the first one is just a flat shader brush, and then the other one is kind of like a bigger version of that. If I'm honest, I would have preferred to have eyeshadow brushes or something in here. Or like a little powder brush that you could take with you to pop your powder on, like on the go. Next up we have number 2, which says, I ignored you fine the first time. Oh, and we have a lip product in this one. What's this? So we have a lip balm and it's got Grinch's very dissatisfied face on it. Oh my god, it's green. That is the lip balm. Definitely worth the £3.33 in that door. Really happy with that. And then we have number 3, which says, I'm sorry I was late. I didn't want to come. And I'm sorry if that was, if that's not a Lucy comment, I don't know what is. Ooh, another lip product. Ooh, so we have another lipstick in day number 3. Oh, I remember this. So I opened it and it fell out and I ended up like snapping the end. We have like a darker like red lipstick. So that is that one. Next up we have day number 4, and it just says, let's just not on the packaging for this one. Ooh, this looks like another lip product. Oh, so this one is a lip gloss. The packaging is so cute. And then this is just what it looks like. Let's do a little swatcheroo. Ooh. Oh, it smells really nice. That is what the lip gloss looks like. Definitely happy for that to be £3.33 as well. Let's go on to number 5, which says, I don't do warm and cuddly. Sea fluff. What is this? Oh my god, it's a scrunchie. That is actually adorable and really good if you're somebody who like wants to do like Christmas in the office but you don't want to go all out. I just want to get the Christmas vibes. Yeah, really happy with that. And I always wear scrunchies, so I'll be wearing that round Crimbo time. Crimbo. I'm so excited for Christmas this year. Number 6 says, do I look like a people person? Oh my god, we have a sponge. It's got the Grinch with his hand on his hip indented into it, and then it says Revolution on the Grinch on the back. And then this is just what he looks like. So cute. And then it has Revolution and the Grinch on the back. So it's actually a really nice sponge. So yeah, happy for a sponge for door number 6. And then we have number 7, which says, I don't like morning people or mornings or people. This, honestly, this calendar is such a mood for me. Ooh, what's this? It's a highlighter. It's got the Grinch's face on it as well. So this is like a pearly pinky kind of highlighter, which just looks like this. And like I said, when I do my video unboxing the gift sets, I'll also do a look with everything that I possibly can use out of the advent calendar and the gift sets. And I'll try and use as much as possible. But let's just do like a little sneaky swatcheroo. Ooh, you can see it there. Yeah, you can. Really, really like light, fair highlighter. Then we have number 8, which says, I'm not mad, it's just how my face looks. And this one's like a really big one. So this one is a fixing spray. It just looks like this. I wonder if it's got a smell. No way, that smells like straight up like cotton candy. Not even cotton candy, what's the smell of that? Like that powdery sugar. Oh my god, it smells like something that I can't remember what I don't know what it is. Like really, really, really like sweets. I can't, it's gonna drive me insane, but that smells so nice and sweet. Such like a sweet, like Christmassy smell. Number 9 says, I wish I could invoice people for wasting my time. Girl, I would be a millionaire. Ooh, this one has something soft in it as well. Oh my god, it's another scrunchie. And this one has little antlers. Personally, I think one scrunchie would have been enough, but this is pretty cute. And again, it'd be one that would be really nice for Christmas time. Oh my god, so next day is day 10, and day 10 is a huge one. Absolutely huge. So it feels soft. It feels like, maybe you can hear that, it feels soft inside. Oh my god, what is this? No way. Oh, it wasn't the wrong way around. So it's one of them, I think I like that there's a mixture of like different things in here. This is so soft, but it's one of them headbands that you put on when you're doing your makeup or you're doing your skincare. That is actually adorable. And to be fair, you would pay quite a bit for them. So if it's £3.33 per door, then you would pay that for that anyway. Second from last, we have day number 11. It says, people say I act like I don't care. It's not an act. If you have somebody who hates Christmas, I feel like they'd absolutely love this advent calendar because, yeah, it's just a total vibe. This has a full palette in it, but has Cindy Lou and obviously Max on the front. Ooh, okay. It wasn't like a colour story that I was expecting. To be fair, it has a lot of matte, which I'm really happy with. So it has 6 mattes and 4 shimmers. And one of the shimmers looks like it's going to be quite like a nice, gorgeous, like foily texture. But it has quite like warm tones in it. This is actually really, really wearable and really pretty. I'm glad that they didn't go for like greens and stuff because not everyone's going to be able to get away with that. Not in regard to like pulling it off, but not many people are going to want to wear that. So yeah, that was number 11. Definitely worth £3.33 for that one. And then last but not least, we have number 12. And it says, this is as merry as it gets. So let's see what's inside this one. Ooh, it's a mirror. So it says snarky on it, and it's just a little compact mirror, which is actually, to be fair, it's better than like the circle ones where it's just got a picture on it. This one is actually like made for the Grinch, and it's like clearly had its own like little mould and everything. But I never use these. I don't know why advent calendars always have one in, but I do quite like that one because obviously it's the Grinch and it's not just like a little round one. So yeah, that was behind door number 12. I'm actually really happy with this advent calendar. Obviously, if you use my discount code, you'll get it for, what, £32 and get £8 off. So inside it contains a shadow palette, a highlighter, a lip balm, a compact mirror, a lipstick, a mini brush set, a mini fixing spray, a lip gloss, a sponge, a headband, and then 2 hair scrunchies. So that's everything that you get for £40, and it's a license, and obviously it's all like individual products that are made just for the Grinch and for Revolution. Thank you so much for watching. I'd love to know what you think down below. Is there any other advent calendars? I'm going to be doing Revolution Crazy anyway because I have them all, so I will definitely be doing them for you. But is there any other advent calendars that you've seen from any other brands that you want me to do? Please bear in mind that I am not like a massive YouTuber who can spend loads and loads of money on really expensive advent calendars. So please let me know if there's any in particular that you're like, please, I'm dying to see this. because I will definitely, if I can afford to, I will definitely pick it up, see whether it's worth your money so that you can save your dollar, honey. But thank you so much for watching, and I will see you tomorrow. Love you so much. Thank you so much. Bye.